Hello, in this video we are going to install Qt Creator community version. To install Qt Creator, we need the Qt account. So let's go to Qt website and create the Qt account. When you go to Qt website, you can find this button to create Qt account. If you already have the account, you can type your email and your password to log in the Qt account. Otherwise, you can press this create Qt account link. When you press this create Qt account link, you need to provide the email password and you need to accept the Qt account terms and click this create account button. After creating this create Qt account button, you will receive one verification link on your email ID, which is provided here. You need to press that or like click that verification link to verify your Qt account. Once you click on that link, you need to log in into your Qt account again. So just type your email and password and press the sign in. Once you press the sign in, this portal or new website page will be open. So here you can see there is one link where you can download the open source Qt software. So when we press this link, at the bottom of this page, there is a link to download Qt online installer. So since I'm using the Windows 11 60-bit version, so I'm going to download this Windows x84 Qt Creator online installer. So if you have the Mac OS or Linux OS like Ubuntu or any other OS, so you can click the relevant option. So let's download this Qt installer. I'm going to save this Qt Creator Online installer inside the downloads folder. So it will download immediately. So let's open that folder. So here you can find that executable. So let's double click on it. So here again, you need to provide your email and password and press the next button. So recent Qt Creator Online installer has some issues. So we need to fix that. So in order to fix that, just copy this link and paste in your browser. So this new page will be open. So here they have mentioned the various mirrors from which we can download the Qt Creator. So for now, we are going to copy this link. Here we need to consider one thing. We don't need to copy the full link. Here you can see the online word over there. So copy the link before online word. Okay. So for now, our Qt Creator installer is not working. So let's quit it and go to download folder, right click on the blank area and press the open in terminal. So you need to type dot backslash and then Qt and press the tab button. So it will show you the same executable file name on the command line. So after that, you need to type hyphen hyphen two times, then mirror and then space, and then you need to provide that link over there, or you can paste that link, and we need to press the enter button. So again, now that same dialog is open now. Then we need to again provide the email ID and password for your Qt account. Press the next button. Now we don't have that error again, so press the next button and choose this custom installation. And once you press this custom installation, I will provide the Qt folder path over here. So since I already installed the Qt creator, so I will just change the path for me. You can keep this path as it is, because if you don't have any Qt creator installed already, then no, you don't need. If you don't have any Qt creator installed already, then you can remove or like keep this path as it is. So I'm pressing the next button. Here you can select the various option. So to install Qt creator components, I'm expanding it. So I'm going to install the Qt Design Studio. Then I'm going to install this Qt 6.8.1 version. So I'm going to check this version. Here, uh, for now, I'm deselecting these WebAssembly packages MSVC, LLM, LLVM, and MSVC. I'm going to keep this mean.gw because we are going to build our application using this mean.gw. I will uncheck this Android sources because this will download the Android relevant packages. So I'm not going to install the Android packages. Again, here you also need to uncheck these sources because it will take a lot of space because it will download the source file of Qt. And then here I also install the all additional libraries for the Qt. So this is how the minimal Qt version will look like. Then in the build tools, you need to select by default this CMake and Ninja is selected. So you don't need to check anything. Here I'm going to install the Qt Creator 15 version. Once you press the next button, it will start downloading the Qt Creator and install that Qt Creator to your laptop or your desktop. So it will take around 30 minutes to 45 minutes according to it will take around 30 minutes to 45 minutes depending on our internet speed. So once Qt Creator is installed, so you can find Qt Creator community version over here, and you can also find the Qt Design Studio over here. So you need to click this Qt Creator community. So this is how we successfully install the Qt Creator. Thank you.